In a bustling New York kitchen, an immigrant chef faced a unique challenge. He couldn't speak English. Instead of letting this barrier stop him, he communicated through the universal language of food. Surprisingly, he used a peculiar method to learn English by labeling every ingredient in his kitchen with its English name. This quirky technique not only improved his language skills, but also made him a renowned chef. His story shows that sometimes the most unconventional methods lead to success. Like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing stories like this.